If you're seeing the Epic Games error code ISNFC03, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and effective fix that can help get your downloads working again. This issue is often caused by a stuck launcher process, corrupted cache files, or interrupted data that keeps blocking the download queue. So follow along carefully, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of getting Epic Games running properly again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, completely close the EpicGamesLauncher. Don't just minimize it. You want it fully shut down. Check the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the Epic icon, right-click it, and choose Exit. This step is important because the launcher can keep running in the background even when the window is closed. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. This will let you see every process currently running on your computer. In Task Manager, look through the list for anything related to Epic Games. You may see processes like EpicGamesLauncher, EpicOnlineServices, or Easy Anti-Cheat. If any of those are still active, right-click each one and select End Task. This clears out anything that may be stuck and interfering with the launcher. Once that's done, go back to your desktop and right-click the Epic Games shortcut. From the menu, select Run as Administrator. Running the launcher with administrator privileges can help it reconnect properly and resume the download without permission issues. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear the local cache data that may be causing the problem. Stale or interrupted chunk data in your application folder can continuously jam the download queue, so we're going to remove that manually. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the field, type %local AppData%, then press Enter. This will open your local AppData folder. From there, double-click the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open the Saved folder. Inside Saved, look for a folder named Webcache. You may also see a versioned folder, like Webcache_4147, or something similar. Delete that Webcache folder completely. If you see any other Webcache variants, remove those as well. This forces Epic Games Launcher to rebuild fresh cache files the next time it starts, which often fixes download errors like ISNFC03. After deleting the cache, close File Explorer, then launch Epic Games again as administrator and check whether your download continues normally. In many cases, that's all it takes to fix the issue. If you're still having trouble, repeat the process carefully and make sure no Epic-related background tasks are still running before reopening the launcher. And that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix Epic Games error code ISNFC03 by closing background processes, running the launcher as administrator, and clearing the web cache files. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.